Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by unlocking the Samsung and heading straight to Settings. Use the search bar to type Safety or Emergency if you don't see it. Once there, tap Safety and Emergency or Biometrics and Security on older models so you reach the emergency features. Make sure you have your device passcode ready and grant location permission when prompted. This lets emergency services get accurate coordinates when needed, so do that now before proceeding to change the call settings. Now you'll tap Emergency Call Settings or Emergency SOS to view the options. You need to decide how the phone initiates a call. Toggle Automatic Call or Repeated Press to control whether a long press or multiple presses dials emergency numbers. Add or confirm emergency contacts so responders have people to notify. Once done, set the call delay and enable any voice prompts if available. These settings prevent accidental calls, while ensuring help is summoned quickly. Finish by testing the behavior in a controlled way. Use test mode if your model offers it or call a trusted contact so you confirm the configured action. If the phone does not place the call, check app permissions, mobile network signal, and that the emergency number format matches your region. Make sure location and phone permissions are allowed. If problems persist, restart the phone and install any system updates. As a tip, re-adding emergency contacts often resolves permission hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.